Moon.
Alam mo yung 2020
Wait, I need to charge hard.
Parang naririnig ko yan.
Can I charge? Please?
Go ahead, darling. Do what you want. It's a free country. Do what you
Nung
want.
narinig
It's a
yung
free
ano,
country.
nakita ko yung dinosaur.
Except for the food. It's not free.
Hindi ka. Siguro,
Bro, I
tama ka
killed.
din naman. Alam mo, realizing na kung ano,
Sabi ko, do
why
what
do
you
you have
want.
to
It's a free
explain
country.
yourself?
Yeah.
Totoo, di ba? Ganun sinabi.
It's not
Why don't you test?
Why do I have to?
It's
Hindi,
not
nung
free.
ikaw kasi nag-isip kayo. Alam mo, nagsisimula pa lang tong account na to.
Brain
Wala
niya.
masyadong sistema. At ito yung sistema, kaya nag-work tong program na to. Gano'n ka mag-explain yung sarili mo nung tayo.
Ayun, ganun.
Alright, let's go to the airport.
Scrutinize ko na naman.
I've never been to an airport before.
So you want to go to the airport?
Okay,
You want to ride the plane?
Mga
Mga scrutinize ka naman. Wala ka din sa posisyon. Para ay hindi compose yung thoughts mo. Parang marami mo nga si Joanne. Hindi mo talaga alam kung paano kami
I see
kung paano layo ang
Mama
nagkaroon kami
is not
lalaki.
you.
Someday you will go to the
Sige,
right there.
Parang
Mama
nung
is
in the first
not
place.
you. Whatever you say, so cool.
Kaya kung gano'n lang kayo sistema mo, this is the work.
Wow,
Yeah,
we're going to
yeah,
Saudi.
this is why, this is what
We're
this
going to
completes.
Dubai.
I'm just imposing it. No using cell phone, so
there you go.
basic. Why do I have to explain it? Parang kasi, ang point naman niya nung time na yun, parang sumigaw siya kasi may gumagamit na cellphone. Gano'n, di ba? Parang, tapos may, ang mali kasi nun,
Go
parang,
to
"Ah, bakit ganun?"
that over there.
Tapos ang dami kasi feedback, alam mo kasi ang daming dagdag bawas
I'm
sa story.
gonna
Di
go.
ba nung kanya nung time na yun?
I'm
Di ba?
gonna skip this
May
channel
sinabi
because
ako
I
na-
don't
Kasi
have
yung
any
point mo,
TV.
nag-post si Jessie
But,
sa
Bro,
support
why
pa na
did
may
you skip
client.
this
Do not
channel?
use your
Because we don't have any TV. Why are you so dumb on
ng
phone?
cellphone tong mga trainees na to.
Mm.
Na bawal.
Mm.
Ganon. Anyway.
It's me,
Yun
Mario.
yung Miss
Ayun
Comes
yung
doon.
mainit, no?
Oo,
Tapos
yun yung-
naggalis ako.
Yun yung Miss Comes doon eh. Kasi ang may kasama kaming tira. Yung QC na training. Then,
Oh, that
the reason
annoying
why we have
conveyor.
phones in the production in the first place
Alright,
because
our
Authenticator.
airplane
authentic.
here.
Parang
A few
Now,
moments
yun na nga meron nga
later.
kasi nandun eh. If it weren't there in the first place, if it was content, is that really how you, parang, ang unang prevention na napananggali kay Jessie, okay, after you authenticate it, I will call you.
yun nga. Kasi ang ginawa nun ni CMA, sinalang niya kung kausapin kayo agad.
Oo.
Without
Okay,
further
so I think
knowing from Jessie na si Micah lang pala yung kino-call out niya. So sabi ko,
Sino si Mike?
Si Mika.
si Mika, yung QA, yung
QA
QC,
niyo.
siya lang palang kino-call out niya. So
Okay.
sabi ko, Jessie, in the first place, kung sinabi mo ng si QC lang palang kino-call out mo,
Okay.
bakit pa yung buong class yung pinag-explainan ko?
Mm.
Ginanong ko siya.
Mm.
Sabi ko, sana sinabi mo na lang sa akin na yung quality. Kasi technically, hindi pa talaga sila allowed. Kasi technically kami,
Training.
nung trainees
Oh,
pa kami,
training.
wala kaming
Hindi
phone.
phones sa locker.
Unless nung na-endorse na kami sa production, at and that's the time kami may phone. Wala kaming phone noon.
Yun
Bawal
dapat-
din kami
yun yung
magpasok
gap ni
ng phone
Jessie.
noon.
Si
Yun yung
Jessie,
gap ni
si
Jessie.
Jessie talagang may problema doon kasi
Actually,
Alright, we
ang
are
result
Ano pa tayo?
flying.
Taging-taging.
oo,
diba?
tapos
Diba?
bago pinaharap, nagalit si Boss Dick.
Four.
Bakit ako pinaharap agad sa inyo?
3,
Ni-
2,
ano,
1,
ni
and
Peter
ready
at ni
for
Jessie.
takeoff.
Parang alam mo yun, yung para kung nilang sinunog na gusto ka nilang kausapin ikaw.
I
Na
believe
without
I
further
can
investigation
fly.
Kung sino talaga.
I
Kasi parang
believe I
yung
can
girl,
fly.
I believe I can touch the
Banda mo nung
clouds.
So, naka-BL ako noon. Pero, nire-request na daw kasi akong kausapin. Sabi
Bro,
ni
we are at the
alam mo yun
sky.
ang hindi ko na.
Yes.
Walang ganyan.
oh, yun
No,
daw
it's
kasi.
not.
Kaya ako pinaharap. Parang
Koy,
sabi ko,
why are
There's
you
no
so
change.
dumb?
kasi ako, ba't ako mag-apologize sa kanila?
Right? There's no change.
Di ba?
Kasi,
kaya
there are-
miscommunication nangyari.
nag-request daw sila.
Game
na
code
kausapin ko sila
is
kasi
melon
mag-apologize daw ako
fruit
sa kanila. Yun yung hinihingi nila.
ayun ang sinabi
Alright.
ng isa sa inyo nung nag-visit ako.
Hey,
Unless may
Hey.
communication through email.
We are
Pero
ready.
yung kami lang yung asawa.
already.
yun yung sinabi
No,
ko.
we just took off
Parang I need to
10
apologize
minutes
daw sa
ago.
Ah, di ba?
Feeling ko si David ang nagsabi
I'll
niya
see
eh.
you.
Nung pumunta ako.
Moments.
Nung ako yung nag-interview.
Parang I need to apologize. Kasi ang
Kasi
unang
ang
tanong
tanda
niya,
ko, si David talaga nagsabi nun na
Kasi di ba
you don't have to
Happy
apologize.
It did
kasi hindi naman ikaw.
Nare-recall mo?
Hindi kasi ang alam ko, kasi si David pumaporma kay Mika.
Bro, what
Oh,
are
yeah,
you
yeah,
Siya
doing?
sa babae.
I'm
Si
Yes.
Mika,
bombing
ano,
the
tapos yung
plane.
parang po- di ba unang tanong sa akin ni Mika,
Why
ah,
would
ni
you
David,
do that?
Why do you need to do that? Diba ang una ko sagot? Because I'm a supervisor. I need to make sure that the
Because
policies
I wanna
actually
kill
being
them.
followed. Yun ang
Don't.
unang sagot.
Meron
Tapos ang
in
dami
his
ng tanong.
Two brothers right
Wala
there.
naman yun
I
sa akin
don't
hanggang
care and I will do it now.
Barbaric. Barbaric? Si Jessie naman ang kausap ko nun.
Prior to
Oh
that,
no, we
prior to,
Oh,
Yung
no,
sa
wait.
ECW nga.
prior to the first, yung nang magkaroon ng clarification.
Oh, no.
Si Fandy kasi
I
muna
will
nag-interview.
skip
eh.
baby.
Oo.
Just
Kasi nga,
Paano yung po ng
sobrang ano
pinarating?
na eh.
God.
No, wala kasi naman talaga. Parang, nung nagkaroon ng clarification kay Fandy, I thought it was tapos na. It was
A
Iba,
few,
ibang request na punta
a
sa
few
akin.
Diba okay
moments.
na?
Okay na.
Your
Okay
request,
na.
parang ganon.
Nung first interaction ko kay Fanny, sabi ko, I like him. I want, makakinggan niya ako to. Kasi in-offer niya sa akin yung locker niya eh. Tapos sabi ko, magiging ko.
Oh,
Tapos nung nag-escalate, sabi ko,
oh.
nung pinaka-third, parang DT, yung pagiging defensive mo nung time na hinarap mo kami, yun talaga yung
Naging peak.
naging heated yung
Oh, kasi may
Apple is a passive
sobrang triggered ka na
Oh
nun,
no.
eh.
Oo, kasi
Oh,
parang
nitrogen.
sobrang
Pero-
na IR.
Siguro kung pinaka-compose lang yung
Ang
I'm just doing my
nitrogen na
job,
natin.
if you didn't understand it, parang, ano lang te, tawagin mo nga si Joanne, parang sobrang ka ng rattle dun te.
Kasi
Magulo ka
ano
talaga
na.
nun.
A
Hindi,
few
na-explain ko na.
moments
Bigla-
later.
Pumaltos kasi ako. Hindi ko din pinatawag si Joanne kasi ang sabi ni Mika, si Joanne daw muna nilang nakausap. Kasi ako, oh, where's Joanne? Kaya ginanong ko si OM, can you call Joanne? Kasi tapos naalala mo yung sinabi ko kay Mika na, can you stop? We're gonna have a talk. Kasi kasi
Ayun na nga, yun na yung nagka-clash
Oo.
na kayo,
Sabi
yun
ko, can
nun.
you stop that? Sabi ko,
Oo.
as a leader, you should be the mediator, not
So-
the one who's gonna talk
So,
about it.
bilang hindi ka kilala nun,
G dot A
napakasok
get
namang,
that's
ito
a
nung time na yun,
passenger.
bilang ikaw na nandun ka sa receiver, na parang, grabe,
Wow,
ganyan talaga siya.
not
magkulit.
Ganun
again.
talaga, kasi ang point ko,
Ayun, ang harsh kasi pakinggan kapag nasa receiver end ka, tapos parang nung time na yun, sabi, kaya ba, pinapatunayan mo lang yung accusation na yun, ganyan ba tayo
Let's fix the
mag-communicate? Parang,
blade.
Ano
Yung-
yung,
yung envi-
argument ko nung yung environment.
Yung environment na toxic na hindi talagang
I found
pinapatunayan mo. Parang ngayon yun.
kasi hindi yung sitwasyon natin, nag-cool off na kayo, nag-sorryhan na kayo, ni na Dave, nag-okay na.
Hindi, ti, walang sorry ha.
Hindi, nag-okay na tayo, di ba? Ikaw nag-explain ka, sabi mo, I was not pertaining of you sa barbaric
Ask
na
me.
na sinabi ko. Kasi sinabi mo, I admit, I'm the one who told the barbaric, pero hindi yun sa'yo. It was the environment. Parang nagsalita ka nun eh. Kasi nakilala ka talaga kita. Kasi ikaw nag-comment, na yung barbaric. Sabi, hindi yun sa'yo. So, nag-okay na tayo kasi nagsalita ng iba.
Oo.
So, cool off na tayo. Parang alam mo yun, yung nag-cease na yung fire.
Oo.
Pero ito si Mika, nagsalita pa. Sabi niya,
Let's go. I'm walking the driver.
i-hit up niya. Kaya ko siya
No.
stop. Kaya sabi ko, can we stop?
They tried to
Leader.
fix
Tapos tinanong ko si Mario, di ba? Sabi ko, ikaw Mario.
the place wasn't
Kaya ginanong ko.
Kasi po parang na,
They had to
honestly, yung opinion namin na, we were with him.
forever,
Oo,
ever.
kasi tumanong pa
We
siya.
were
To
with you.
fight a missing children.
Parang,
Okay.
alam mo yung tipong, yung side namin, parang, hindi na, tama yun, nasa,
And the
mali
forest.
talaga yun. Eh. So, kasi may
G and thank you.